Hey everyone, this is Fabian from Drum Lessons Bristol. Today we're going to be looking at L.S.F by Kasabian, but not the original. This is the Mark Ronson version because it's just so much funkier. So we're going to look at the main beat. Then we're going to slow it down and look at just some of the details to hopefully help you figure it out. Okay, I hope that was helpful. Have fun with it. It's a really, really cool tune. Don't forget to check out my other videos and subscribe.